few rules. First, for your safety, keep your hands on feet and legs inside the memory covers at all times. Remain seated. Keep your seatbelt securely fastened. Got it? How hard is it to follow some rules? Am I right, Joy? Right. Please keep your eyes on your little legs there. You're super important.
Whirlwind is lifted off. Okay, so what that means is this thing is about to start. So if that's your idea of fun, then yeah, go have fun. Oh, sure it's fun. It's like, oh my gosh, we're going nowhere. Remember, try to be cool. You all look cool to me. I don't know how to be cool. Wow, thanks so much for screaming. You sure are an emotional bunch. Now, please stay seated until the whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for one of our mind workers to open the door before you. Well, that wasn't so terrible. But you might want to check your hair, because, wow.
Listen up, everybody. Get ready for an emotional whirlwind. I'm Andy, and I'm here to remind you of a few rules. First, for your safety, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the memory covers at all times. Remain seated. Keep your seatbelt securely fastened. Be sure to supervise you. Got it? How hard is it to follow some rules? Am I right, Joy?
Of course, Anger. Safety rules. Right, Bing Bong?
Sí, reglas de seguridad. ¡Hola! Soy Bing Bong. Bienvenidos al Emotional Whirlwind. Para su seguridad, recuerden permanecer sentados con el cinturón bien abrochado y mantener manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del recuerdo móvil en todo momento. Y por favor, cuiden a sus pequeños. Sé de lo que estoy hablando. Soy parte del team.
Oh, so the emotional whirlwind is finally lifting off. Joy wants to call this the Happy Memory Development Program. So go on, make some happy memories. Just enjoy the ride. How hard is that?
Keep spinning!
Wow! I've had 3 churros and a coffee. This is madness.
Happiest memory ever!
You were all fearless. You're my kind of people. The emotional whirlwind is about to end, so stay seated until your memory mover comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mine worker to open your door and exit in an orderly fashion. Don't make me come down there.
Exit to the right hand side.
Hi there, I'm Joy. Welcome to the emotional world.
I've had 3 churros and a coffee. This is madness.
Happiest memory ever!
You are all fearless. You're my kind of people.